Domains are your website's digital address, like 123 Main Street for a house. They consist of a second-level domain, SLD, and a top-level domain, TLD, such as .com. With over 1,500 top-level domains available, domains must be registered through registrars like Porkbun or GoDaddy to establish your online presence. A domain is your website's digital address, akin to a street address for a house. It consists of a second-level domain, SLD, and a top-level domain, TLD, like yourbusiness.com. With over 1,500 top-level domains available, domains must be registered through registrars like Porkbun or GoDaddy to secure your online presence. Domains transform complex Internet protocol addresses into memorable names, enhancing brand identity and simplifying online access. They create easy touchpoints for audiences. Certain top-level domains, like .gov and .edu, have specific restrictions, ensuring they are used by government entities and accredited educational institutions, respectively. Hosting is where your website resides, akin to renting space for your online presence. Shared hosting is cost-effective for small sites, while virtual private server offers more control for medium sites. Dedicated hosting provides exclusive server use for high-traffic sites. Providers like Cloudways and GoDaddy offer diverse plans to suit different needs. Shared hosting costs $1 to $5 monthly, ideal for startups. Virtual private server hosting starts at $3, balancing performance and cost for growing businesses. Dedicated hosting, at $100 plus, suits high-traffic platforms. Managed hosting simplifies updates, backups, and security, letting you focus on content without technical worries. DNS, the domain name system, acts as the Internet's GPS, linking your domain name to your hosting server. It ensures visitors reach your website by translating domain names into server locations. Proper DNS configuration is crucial. Incorrect settings can misdirect visitors, akin to sending them to the wrong address. Secure Sockets layer encrypts data between your website and visitors, ensuring privacy and security. Websites with Secure Sockets layer show HTTPS, #, and a padlock icon, signaling security. Certificate types include domain validated, organization validated, and extended validation, each offering different verification levels. Secure Sockets layer boosts search engine optimization rankings and trust, with certificates issued by authorities like DigiCert and Entrust. Secure Sockets layer encrypts sensitive data during transmission, safeguarding passwords and credit card details from hackers. This secure tunnel between the user's browser and your server is crucial for e-commerce. Many hosts like Webflow offer automatic Secure Sockets layer setup and renewal. Certificates last a year and can be renewed, with free options available through Let's Encrypt. A CMS or content management system empowers users to create, edit, and manage website content without coding skills. Platforms like WordPress, Drupal, and Shopify cater to diverse needs, offering user-friendly interfaces. CMS acts as your website's digital interior design, providing design freedom and functionality, whether open source or proprietary, to suit various business requirements. A CMS simplifies website updates, enabling quick content changes. It supports team collaboration with customizable roles and workflow management. Built-in tools offer multimedia management, SEO optimization, analytics integration, and multilingual support. Notably, WordPress powers over 40% of websites globally, highlighting its dominance and effectiveness in the CMS market. Register a domain through a registrar like Porkbun. Purchase hosting from providers like Cloudways. Connect your domain to hosting via domain name system settings. Install a Secure Sockets layer certificate for secure hypertext transfer protocol, secure encryption. Finally, set up a content management system like WordPress to manage your site content efficiently. This integration ensures a seamless and secure user experience. A website's ecosystem consists of several key components. The domain acts as the address. Domain name system functions like a GPS directing traffic. Hosting is the physical space for files. Secure sockets layer secures data transmission, and the content management system manages content and layout. Each element plays a crucial role in creating a seamless and secure user experience. Owning a domain without hosting is like having an address with no building. Hosting without a domain requires using IP addresses, which are hard to remember. SSL is crucial for e-commerce and data security. Choose hosting based on traffic, budget, and expertise. Content management system selection depends on your skills, goals, and desired features. Shopify offers an all-in-one solution with integrated domain, hosting, SSL, and content management system, ideal for e-commerce. WordPress.org requires self-hosting, where you manage domain, hosting, and SSL, using its open-source content management system. Squarespace provides a complete package with domain registration, hosting, SSL, and an intuitive content management system. Enterprise companies often opt for dedicated hosting and advanced SSL for enhanced security. Domain, hosting, SSL, and CMS form an inseparable ecosystem essential for your online presence. Understanding these components empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Whether for a blog or business site, these elements are your digital foundation, ensuring a secure professional presence that builds credibility and trust from the start.